Maybe a little too fast here. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, Jay Stalin. That's his name. No gear. Except for gloves and a helmet. Yeah, you can break into the turn. It's just that you need to know how to do it. He slammed a lot, though. That's the problem. What's up, Justin? How you doing, man?
Get on my lane, man.
Ah! He's gonna stop traffic. Okay. Call them.
All right. So he's like, "Why did you get in my lane, man?" And yeah, that's a valid response. But let's go ahead and put this chat away. Full bore. We're gonna go as fast as we can. Now he's gonna have to shift, obviously. So we don't know the speed. We don't know anything. But here's the thing: why are we doing that in an area that has a ton of traffic, especially when there's an intersection coming up? And if you notice, you can barely see it under the 2018. It's a yellow light. So we're trying to make the light. We're trying to make the light. Right? That's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. Oh, you guys are going to riot if I take the chat off? All right, don't riot. Class, calm down. All right? But yeah, we got to watch out for that. We're trying to beat the light. Why are we trying to beat the light? Now, we're going to be really pissed at this driver for coming into our lane. Now, yeah, the driver should be going into the first available lane. But you know what? Why are we trusting that? If we're not even doing what we're supposed to be doing, okay? Why are we running through a yellow light hauling ass? Now, what you're going to see is that you see how the handlebars are kind of twisted like this, but we're still aiming straight? It's because he locked up that rear tire. He's starting to fishtail. He's starting to fishtail. And that's not good because that means he's not doing progressive brake pressure. And there's the impact. Now, we're going to blame the driver. Okay, go ahead. But let's take a look at our own actions. So he landed on his back after hitting everything else. That's why we have motorcycle gear, chat. Oh, you're over here, chat. This is why we have motorcycle gear. We have back protectors inside of our jackets. We have elbow protection, shoulder protection. We got motorcycle pants, so we hopefully have hip protection on some of the stuff. We have knee protection, and it's abrasion resistance all around. We have gloves, same thing, impact and abrasion resistance. A helmet, full face, impact, abrasion resistance, motorcycle-specific shoes or boots. We're not doing that. We're not doing that. Hollow Knight, I do endorse airbag vests. The Alpine Stars Tech Air 5, the new one, is actually really cool. I wish I could afford it. But yeah, that's why we need to wear specific gear. To get upset with drivers because they pull out in front of us, let's be responsible for our own safety here. Let's not put that in the hands of other people. I don't trust drivers. I don't trust other motorcycle riders. I don't trust other people on the road. I really don't. I only trust myself, so I'm going to make sure I'm going to be as safe as possible.
That's right.
On tires, I don't think they have airbags for helmets yet. But airbag vests, yeah, they do. And jackets.
Why'd you get on my lane, man?
I don't know. Why were you going super fast going through a yellow light?